And the race is on. Kim Possible, Vermont rushing up through a count. Running by the rally's Lucky Touch alongside Irresistible Madera. Also moving up Mother of Honor, Danori inside Farragut's Order. Lady Sutter, Famous Girl, and Bull Rock 9 Ace running at the tail of the field. Lucky Touch by some 4 lines followed now by Madera. Impossible Danori inside his Mother of Honor through count. Rounding the fourth turn, Lucky Touch by some 3 lengths. Madera running Danori inside his Kim Possible through a count and Mother of Honor Danori inside as they swing for home. Lucky Touch still leading by some 2 lengths. Madera, Mother of Honor Danori inside through a count under Father outside and ring the last 100 meters more to run. Lucky Touch through a count is on the outside but still Lucky Touch by some 2 lengths through a count. And finally, Lucky Touch through count, Farragut's Order, Madera, and Kim Possible for your Fantafecta.